Hi, my name's Luke Demonin. I've been the marketing coordinator here at Guardian for a little over a year now. One of the big reasons I love working at Guardian is just the company culture is fantastic. That's something I value a lot in my workplace, and I've just found that we're able to work hard but also play hard, and it's just a great place to be. And it's something that we take pride in when we come to work, and we put it all on the table, and we're proud of the work that we do, and we're just a huge family and a great, even better team. I have a lot of great memories here at Guardian since I've been working here, but I'd say one of my top memories is our ribbon cutting event that we had over this past summer, where we celebrated our new building and just the years and years of success that Matt and Lori have built. Go Guardian!